Sekusisithuba sonyaka ngoku satsha isibhedlela iCharlotte Maxeke ngenxa yento umphathiswa wezempilo ayibize ngokuba kukuhamba ngonyawo lonwabo kwezinto. Isebe lezempilo kuzwelonke lithathele kulo inkqubo yokulungiswa kwesi sibhedlele. Uphendule wathi ke umphathiswa xa ndibuza ukuba ngubani na omakaphendule.
I have no authority to go and say to whoever was given the task in the Department of Infrastructure in the Gauteng province to go and say, I as a Minister of Health is going to take action against you. It doesn't work that way.
Ukuvulwa kwamacandelo athile esisibhedlela kuphazanyiswa kukumoshwa kwaso.
It's an indictment on our society. If we're going to have a situation where our hospitals must look like army barracks, where every corner there must be a security guard to look after ventilators, to look after this and that equipment. Very sad if that's where we're going.
Abalawuli bayavuma ukuba kwabakho ingxaki kukhuseleko ngethuba kuhanjiswa izigulane.
I need to admit from the beginning, remember we're dealing with a lot of things. While security was there, we managed to put the system eventually in terms of how things should move and find a place where everybody can come in and be checked and do whatever. But there was that little lapse at that time. The second issue, because we had to switch off all the electricity, even the CCTV cameras that were around could not operate at that time. And that's why some of the things may have probably disappeared at that time.
Indawo ezithile sisawuvulwa ngo-April kodwa sisawugqitywa ngo-2023. Griselda Lewis, wendaba ze-SABC eGauteng.